welcome to my channel. During my RV winterization, I found that my RV toilet was broken, and in typical RV manufacturer style, the toilet flange was fitted in a way that made the repair less than safe. As I explained in the first video, the problem is that the broken flange is glued to the black tank downpipe, so it is almost impossible to remove without a significant amount of effort. This video is the conclusion of that first overview video, and as the season is starting, I need to fix this issue to go camping, not to mention flushing out the antifreeze. After researching several different options to fix this issue over the winter, I came up with this closet flange, which has a 6-inch barrel and fits inside the existing flange with some minor modifications. The first step was to remove the old flange top so that the new one could sit flush to the flooring. I did this using my Dremel oscillating saw and cut the existing broken flange off the pipe as far down as I could reach. Once the old flange has been cut away fully, I then slide in the new flange to test fit it and ensure that it sits flush with the flooring. Once I was happy with the fit, I removed the new flange and put waterproof silicone around the underside of it, where it was going to be sitting on the old flange. I also put silicone around the outside of the pipe at the bottom to melt with a watertight fit. I then pushed the new flange back in place and aligned the bolt holes for the toilet rotation. I then put wood screws into the screw holes around the new flange. I placed the toilet bowls in place ready for the toilet to be fitted. Given that the new flange screw holes were in different locations than the old one, I put silicone into the unused screw holes to ensure no water would get below the waterproof flooring into the wood below. Finally, I replaced the foam rubber seal around the bottom of the toilet and lifted the toilet onto the flange bolts. I then checked to ensure that the toilet was aligned correctly and fully tightened down the 2 bolts and replaced the white plastic covers. Thank you, and please feel free to comment on this video. Please subscribe, as this helps me to continue to grow this channel and provide more meaningful content.